Do you know that Singer sewing machines have a ton of accessories, but not everybody knows how to use them? I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and we're in the middle of filming all the videos for the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. Now this machine has 32 stitches and 18 of them are decorative stitches. And behind me are some of our Stitching Cosmos course quilts. So if you'd like to take this machine to a whole new level, just getting beyond doing those basic alterations or mending or just home deck items and take your sewing up a notch, I hope you'll check out the 10 free videos we have below that you can watch. We talk about how to make a stitch book, how to use some of the decorative stitches, and some of the accessories that you can get into, add to this machine, and make it go a lot more directions than you probably expected. So I hope you'll check those out. We've got lots to offer. We're doing about 35 videos on this machine, so we're pretty excited to get started. And I think you're going to really enjoy the possibilities of this particular Singer heavy duty model.